We'll continue with STDR calculation, 24th question, exercise problem. For the following two villages, compute standardized death rates and comment. So STDR is asked to obtain here age in years 0 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 and above. Standard population is given. Village A, population and deaths. Village B, population and deaths. So, if you consider 23rd question, there only one village or one town information is given, but here two villages. That means two times we should obtain STDR. First step STDR for village A and STDR for village B. Depending on the calculation, we are going to comment which one is healthier. Now, how we are going to consider the solution? Just observe here. First, we'll consider STDR calculation for village A separate. So, village A, age, standard population, village A population and deaths. I have not considered village B population and deaths here. Now, first we should obtain ASDR, that is represented by A. How to obtain A? Deaths in village A, population of village A according to age we should consider, that is 128 upon 8000 into 1000, 65 upon 13,000 into 1000, 140 upon 10,000 into 1000, 252 upon 4000 into 1000. A is calculated. Then standard population is represented by P into A. Multiply P values with A, 20,000 into 16. So I have written the product here. 30,000 into 5, 35,000 into 14, 15,000 into 63. Then PA total is obtained. Standard population, that is summation P, is obtained here. So first step, ASTR formula should be written. Number of deaths in a specific age group in a year upon average population in that age group in a year into 1000. Now STDR for A, that is summation PA upon summation P. What is summation PA? Last column total upon standard population total. Not this population total. Standard population total should be considered. So it is divided. We have got 19.05. Now same steps should be followed for village B. So here write down village B, age same, standard population, it is there in the question. Now we should consider village B population and deaths. Then ASDR is calculated. So it is represented by B. 72 upon 4000 into 1000, 18. 54 upon 9000 into 1000, 6. 98 upon 7000 into 1000, 14. 129 into 3000 into 1000, 43. Then P into B. P means standard population. It remains same for village A and village B. So 20,000 into 18. 30,000 into 6, 35,000 into 14, 15,000 into 43. So PB total should be obtained. So it is summation PB. P total remains same. ASTR formula is written. STDR for B is summation PB upon summation P. So last column total upon summation P total, that is 16.75. Now observe first STDR value, that is for A is 19.05 and it is 16.75. So 16.75 is lesser than 19.05. B STDR is less than A. Therefore, we conclude that B is healthier. So village B is healthier. Just observe the solution once. See, if you consider this STDR, it is giving importance to age, but CDR is not giving importance for age, but STDR is giving importance for age groups, and it is useful for comparison of mortality of two or more populations. Which is healthier, we can tell that one. That means comparison can be done using this STDR. But drawback is that here standard population is required. Extra column, that is standard population is required, but it is difficult to select the standard population. And it is dependent on the age structure of the standard population. Age structure should be same for a particular village as well as for standard population. 25th question. From the following data, calculate the STDRs for locality A and locality B. Here taking locality A as standard population. So I have strike out this sentence because already standard population is given. If both are given, then it is not having any meaning. So standard population is given, age in years, locality A population and deaths, locality B population and deaths, and standard population is given. So it is same as we have done in 24th question. Only thing standard population is given as the last column. So we are going to split into two parts. First, for locality A we are calculating ASTR and STDR, and then for locality B we are calculating ASTR and STDR. Depending on STDR values, we comment which locality is healthier. So in the solution, how we are writing? First side heading locality A, then age in years, locality A population and deaths, and standard population is represented by P. Then ASTR, A should be calculated 60 upon 4000 into 1000, that is 15. 45 upon 9000 into 1000, 5. 70 upon 7000 into 1000, 10. 120 upon 3000 into 1000, 40. Then P into A. P means standard population. 6000 into 15, 17,000 into 5, 13,000 into 10, 4,000 into 40. So summation PA is obtained. Standard population total is summation P and summation PA. Then here ASTR is calculated. So formula should be written. ASTR, number of deaths in a specific age group in a year upon average population in that age group in a year into 1000. Then STDR of A, summation PA upon summation P. So we have substituted. We have got 11.625. Now same procedure for locality B. Locality B, side heading age in years, locality B population and deaths. Population and deaths are considered here standard population. So it is same for both locality and locality B. Age is also same, only difference is there in population and deaths. Now ASTR. ASTR, it is represented by B, but calculation part remains same. 80 upon 88,000 into 1000, 65 upon 13,000 into 1000, 90 upon 10,000 into 1000, 200 upon 4,000 into 1000. Now P into B. Standard population into B. 6,000 into 10, 17,000 into 5, 13,000 into 9, 4,000 into 50. So PB total is obtained. So it is summation PB and it is summation P. Summation P remains same. Now STDR of B. $11.55 we have obtained. So just observe the value. 11.55 is less than 11.625. That is STDR of B is less than STDR of A. So we conclude that locality B is healthier. So 24th and 25th question are very important as for your examination is considered. 10 marks questions are based on this concept usually. So how